Well, hello, I'm Deanna Jones. What shall I call you?
Well, we could always start with Mrs. Crawley and Lady Grantham.
Okay, I'm not Mrs. Crawley, but all right. You're the Dowager. Well, at least I'd like to introduce myself to my friends out there as Deanna Jones. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm taking part in a Flower of the Month challenge that is being hosted by Deanna the Crafty Magnolia DIY. She has a Flower of the Month challenge each month, and I was selected to be the co-host for her first month's challenge for 2021. And our Flower of the Month is violets. And my favorite violet of all is Violet Crawley, the Dowager herself from Downton Abbey, as portrayed by Maggie Smith. So join me and the Dowager as we carry on with some crafting using violets for the spring.
When I'm with her, I'm reminded of the virtues of the English.
But isn't she American?
Exactly.
You know, I really don't know what to do or how to craft with violets. I've never really used them in a centerpiece or in any kind of crafting before. Maybe I can make a centerpiece. Oh, you know, that reminds me. When I was a little girl, when I was a baby, us Cubans or my Cuban family, they would always use this perfume called Violetas. And it was always so delicious and nice. You would wear it all the way until you were an adult. But I don't know, I really can't craft with perfume. What do you think? Should I make a centerpiece or a wreath or, I don't know, just a wall hanging? What
You're a woman with a brain and reasonable ability. Stop whining and finding something to do.
Okay, you didn't have to be so rough about it. Well, we'll keep calm and carry on, as the Brits would say. And we'll start with our first violet craft. I said violet, not violent. So for my first craft, I just happened to find this amazing antique teacup at Goodwill for just $1. It is absolutely stunning, and as if you can see, it has the violets on the outside and on the inside of the teacup. What do you think? I think it's cute. It's a violet flower arrangement in a violet teacup. Isn't that cute? Yeah. No? Maybe? Well, let me try again. I have more stuff coming up. I like it. So I found this beautiful, I know it says lavender, but I thought it was such a perfect purple color for this challenge. So I'm going to make a purple heart topiary. Yes, I just said purple heart topiary. So instead of making a regular wreath, I decided to use this silver tray. Well, it's not silver, but you know, it's silver coated or silver colored or whatever you want to call it. And yes, I got it from the Dollar Tree. So let's get started. I am so happy with how these turned out. I mean, look at this little topiary. It's perfect for an English garden. Or what about this? An English teacup with English violets and a little beautiful arrangement inside. Perfect for tea time. Oh, I love it. And to think that I thrifted this for $1, right? But last but not least, I have this lovely wall hanging so I can put it to the entrance to my secret garden. Where is my secret garden? I don't know. I can't tell you. It's a secret. Oh, that was bad. Anyway, I think these were all a great improvement. But what about you? What do you think, Dowager?
You are quite wonderful the way you see room for improvement wherever you look. I never knew such reforming zeal.
Really? Well, I'll take that as a compliment.
I must have said it wrong.
Okay. Didn't have to be that mean. Anyway, thanks again for watching, guys. If this is your first time here, please think of liking, sharing, and subscribing if it's up to you, if it's in your heart. And please know that I go live 3 nights a week, Sunday, Tuesday, and Friday nights at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Fridays, I love to invite a friend to come and craft with me, or maybe a whole group of us can come together and craft and chat and just have fun. And I want to thank Deanna of Deanna's Crafty Magnolia DIY for inviting me to be a co-host for her first Flower of the Month challenge. I hope you join us with other Flower of the Month challenges and check out her channel below. And as I say every night before I say goodnight to my friends and my family out there, stay safe, be kind, God bless each and every one of you, and remember to live the adventure. And yes, that means you too, Dowager. Bye. Ooh, love it. So cute. I was gonna make some decorations for Halloween, but something's missing.
Well, I'd be interested to see how you do.
Oh, okay. Well, it's very easy.
This being a job application.
Well,